Good morning, everyone. Welcome back for episode 27 of Coin News for some fresh Web3 updates. Before starting, follow at @Coinect_now on Twitter for fun activities and informational tweets. Explore Coinect.com for all your NFT needs, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're always in the loop. For the first news, Bitwise CIO Matt Hougan predicts that US spot Ethereum ETFs, expected in early July, will attract $15 billion in net inflows within their first 18 months. The prediction is based on the net inflows of Bitcoin ETFs, which reached $15 billion in 5 months, anticipating investors will allocate to the ETFs in proportion to market caps, suggesting a 75% allocation to Bitcoin and 25% to Ethereum. Hogan's estimate accounts for the lower market share observed in the European and Canadian markets, where Bitcoin products dominate. Some argue that Ethereum ETFs could underperform due to the lack of native staking features. However, Hougan believes this is insignificant and will not impact demand. According to Bitget Research, crypto losses due to deepfake scams are projected to surpass $25 billion in 2024, with $6.3 billion in the first quarter. Deepfakes are used to create fake projects, phishing attacks, Ponzi schemes, and impersonating influential people like Michael Saylor, whose team removes around 80 fake videos of him daily. There is also a threat of AI-backed voice impersonators and deepfakes used to bypass KYC measures, gaining unauthorized access to user funds. CEO Gracie Chen emphasized the need for education, awareness, and advanced AI solutions to detect and prevent fraudulent activities. Coinbase has sued the SEC and FDIC for rejecting the Freedom of Information Act requests. The request to the SEC wanted information about regulatory actions and perspectives on Ethereum's shift to proof of stake and past investigations into Zachary Coburn and Enigma MPC, but the SEC denied, citing ongoing enforcement proceedings. Coinbase wanted access to pause letters from the FDIC sent to banks between March 2022 and May 2023, which advised institutions to halt crypto-related activities. The FDIC denied, claiming that disclosing the letters would breach confidential communication. Coinbase argues these violations hinder transparency and regulatory understanding. Solana Blinks have been released, allowing users to directly interact with the blockchain through links. A few things you can now do directly on X after the release of Blinks for only 10 hours are make on-chain transactions through Phantom, swap tokens through Jupiter, long and short tokens through Drift, and buy and sell NFTs through Tensor. In an interview with CNBC, Vanguard CEO Mortimer J. Buckley says Bitcoin is a stable asset, like gold.
And so we don't go towards Bitcoin or gold or any other of those stable assets.
On June 5th, the UAE Central Bank approved regulations for stablecoins, stipulating that payment tokens must be backed by UAE dirhams and prohibiting the use of other cryptocurrencies for payments, unless they are licensed. Irina Heaver, a crypto blockchain lawyer, says this contradicts the UAE's historically pro-commerce stance and liberal policies which have led to foreign direct investment. She warns that banning stablecoins like Tether and the absence of strong industry associations that can speak up against unfavorable regulations could harm the UAE's digital economy ambitions. On June 25th, a judge approved FTX to ask creditors whether they prefer their recovered funds in cash or crypto at current market value. FTX's May liquidation plan proposed a 118% return based on asset values at FTX's bankruptcy filing in November 2022. However, many want payouts in crypto, given the market's 165% increase since FTX's collapse. FTX lawyers noted bankruptcy laws require claim valuation at the time of bankruptcy, aligning with the proposed cash plan, which also avoids capital gains tax for creditors. Creditors have until August 16 to vote, with the final decision on October 7. The famous American band Metallica had their X account hacked and promoted a fake Solana meme coin Metal, claiming to collaborate with Ticketmaster and MoonPay. MoonPay's president Keith Grossman denied any involvement, warning the community against the scam. The hack led to a brief surge in Metal's trading with over $10 million in volume and a market value peak of $3.37 million, before dropping to 90,000 within 3 hours. This incident is part of a broader trend of high-profile hacks in the cryptocurrency space, with figures like Hulk Hogan and 50 Cent also targeted recently. For the last news, a Gold Fur Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT sold for $264,000 or 77.3 ETH on Sotheby's, which is down around 70% from prior Gold Fur sales. The sale price was about 10 times the floor price, which is consistent with prior gold premiums. Now that wraps up the news for today, and thanks for listening. Make sure to follow @Coinect_now on Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hope you have a great day, everyone.